8763. Which of the following turbine fuel filters has the greatest filtering action of any present-day filter type? A. Micron filter. B. Plain screen mesh filter. C. Wafer screen filter. The correct answer is A. The turbine fuel filter with the greatest filtering action of any present-day filter type is the Micron filter. Micron filters have a high level of filtration efficiency and are capable of capturing smaller particles and contaminants, ensuring cleaner fuel is delivered to the engine. 8764. What is the purpose of the flow divider in a turbine-engine duplex fuel nozzle? A. Allows an alternate flow of fuel if the primary flow clogs or is restricted. B. Creates the primary and secondary fuel supplies. C. Provides a flow path for bleed air which aids in the atomization of fuel. The correct answer is B. The purpose of the flow divider in a turbine-engine duplex fuel nozzle is to create the primary and secondary fuel supplies. The flow divider splits the incoming fuel flow into two separate paths, ensuring a balanced and controlled distribution of fuel to the primary and secondary nozzles for optimal combustion. 8765. What causes the fuel divider valve to open in a turbine-engine duplex fuel nozzle? A. Fuel pressure. B. Bleed air after the engine reaches idle RPM. C. An electrically operated solenoid. The correct answer is A. The fuel divider valve in a turbine-engine duplex fuel nozzle opens in response to fuel pressure. As fuel pressure increases, the fuel divider valve opens, allowing fuel to flow through the primary and secondary fuel paths, delivering fuel to the respective nozzles. 8766. How often should float carburetors be overhauled? A. At engine overhaul. B. Annually. C. At engine change. The correct answer is A. Float carburetors should be overhauled at engine overhaul. Overhauling the carburetor during the engine overhaul ensures that the carburetor is in proper working condition and maintains the necessary fuel-air mixture for engine operation. 8767. What is the final authority for the details of carburetor overhaul? A. The local FAA safety inspector. B. The type certificate data sheets for the engine. C. The manufacturer's recommendations. The correct answer is C. The manufacturer's recommendations are the final authority for the details of carburetor overhaul. The manufacturer provides specific instructions, procedures, and specifications for overhauling the carburetor, ensuring that it is done correctly and in accordance with the engine's design and requirements.